Hi, this is Catherine and I'm doing a review of the Urban Escape sleeping bag. This is the Garda envelope sleeping bag and it's a synthetic one. This bag has a polyester shell. This is also water repellent and it has a lining which is polycotton. The actual insulation of the sleeping bag is 60% hollow fibre and 40% monofibre and has a rating of 2 to 3 seasons with a comfort of 0 to 5 Celsius. This sleeping bag weighs 1.9 kilograms and in length is 265 centimeters by 95. It packs down into this bag shown here, and this bag has a drawstring on it and it also has these straps to hold it even tighter in place. Now, some of the features of this sleeping bag is the hood. This is one of the features, and on the hood it also has a ridge just for extra warmth, and this can be tightened using a drawstring as shown here. Another feature of this sleeping bag is it actually comes with like a shoulder buff to keep the person even warmer. This too has a drawstring to pull in so it will be tight to the person. Another feature of this sleeping bag is the stitching, as shown on the lining. This is for the insulation so that it doesn't look great banged up, it's actually sewn in place so it won't move around. Another feature of the sleeping bag is the zip. Now this is a two-sided zip. This is for ease of use for the person who'll be using it, so it can be undone from inside or outside the sleeping bag. Another feature of the sleeping bag is it has an internal security pocket. This is located just here. This is so somebody could put their phone or any important items in there that they don't want to potentially get stolen. Another feature of this sleeping bag is the hooks at the end, as shown here. This is for storage. This means that you can hook it up and you can store it hanging up. This will help keep the fibres at best they can be rather than being crushed, but also means you could air it. Now, the pros of this sleeping bag is the hood. This means the person has extra warmth. With the drawstrings as well, they can adjust to the right size for them on both the hood and the shoulder buff. Another pro is the two-way zip. This is because it will make it even easier to use. Having the hooks at the end is another pro. This is because they won't crush the fibres, somebody can air this out, it's just really easy and helpful. However, some of the cons of this sleeping bag is the actual design is very rectangular, especially at the bottom. This means that there's a lot of extra space in the sleeping bag. This means it gets colder areas in the sleeping bag and it's not really the best design for colder weather. Another con is the actual size of the hood. Because if you imagine someone's head in there, there's going to be a lot of extra room floating around as well. So for any mid-winter weather, this isn't probably the best sleeping bag to use as it can get quite cold. However, overall it is quite a good sleeping bag and has many good features.